This private jet pilot tries to dodge a bird. This Boeing 747 gear hits a concrete embankment moments before landing.
One serious accident occurred during the flight test program. As this 747 approached the runway, one landing gear was seriously damaged when it struck a concrete embankment just short of the runway. The aircraft settled on the two right engines, but the strength of the remaining landing gears was such that they did not fail, and the pilot was able to maintain directional control and keep the aircraft from veering off the runway. The flashes you see are only engine surges, as no fire was experienced. Amazingly little damage occurred to the airplane.
The Cessna 206 drops the package mid-air. This is the cockpit view of a fighter jet landing on an aircraft carrier. And this Boeing 707 performs a barrel roll.
The test flying program for the 707 lasted 4 years. Tex Johnson had his own way of thrilling airline executives with demonstration flights.
Decided that I would do a roll to impress the people. So I came across and did a chandelle. One of my test engineers happened to have his camera with him, and